Hello there, today I will show you how you can design letterhead in Microsoft Word. I will show you complete process how you can design letterhead in Microsoft Word. You don't need any other design software for this. Once you learn how you can design, you will be able to offer your services on Fiverr and you will be able to earn some money like this. People are offering their services on Fiverr. Once you complete this tutorial, you will be able to offer similar services for price like $10, $5 or any other price you want. Okay, so here is the design I have created already. I will show you complete process here. So let's get started. I will create new document. I will set the margins here. Left and right I will press 0.5 and 0.5 here. Here I will add one table, 3 columns and 2 rows. First column I will merge 2 rows here, merge cells. Okay. Now I will insert one image here, logo. I have already created logo. I will paste the destination here and choose this logo. Right, I will now resize it by dragging it from the corners. I will reduce it something like this. Now I will select the table by clicking on this icon here, and now I will align the text to the middle. Now you see our text will be aligned to middle. Here I will add contact number. I am using some dummy number here, and email address. I will select two rows. Now I will choose the font. I will use Century Gothic font, and I will choose the font size 14. Okay, I will now align it to right. On these two columns I will paste icons here, one for phone and one for this email address. Now I will select these two and I will choose design and shading. I will choose this orange color here. Okay, now I will paste some icons here. Now I will go to search option and I will choose character map. You can use the font, you can choose font awesome, and you can download this font awesome free font from fontawesome.com. Now I will choose this phone icon and one this envelope icon. Now I will choose this phone and I will paste it to my document. Alright, similar I will do this with envelope icon, Control C and Control V. Alright, now I will insert some shapes here. I will choose this shape menu and I will choose this rectangle. Okay, from here I will drag one rectangle here and I will disable this outline. No outline and fill will be. I will choose more colors and I will choose this color here, so it will be easy for me to choose similar colors here. I will choose this red one for first. Now I will zoom it a bit. I will reduce the size, Control C and Control V. I will reduce the size like this. For this shape I will choose this orange color. Now once again I will copy once more time, line it to like this. Now I will choose the same color, this color once more time. I will choose this one and now this time I will more color and I will choose this green color. Okay, you can choose your own color. Now I will select all the shapes by shift clicking and click on the shape. Now we'll drag to the left. Okay, align it with this border here and now I will align all the layers to top. Okay, now all the layers are selected and aligned. Now I will select this table here. I will click on this handle icon here, right click on it, table properties, border and shading and no border. Okay, press OK and OK. Now our header is ready. Now I will add footer here. Same process. I will insert 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay, I will select all and now I will choose font Century Gothic. Font will be 12. This one will be records, name of the senders. On this I will insert signature image. This one I will reduce this, reduce the size, and for this last designation web graphic designer. Okay, here I will add some contact information. This one I can bold this one and this will be media link and I will also bold this one italic. I can put address here. like this. Now once again I will click on this handle, table properties, border and shading, and border none. Okay, so now I will copy these shapes, select all by shift and click, Control C, and now I will paste them in the border on the bottom like this. Zoom. Now I will increase the height here. And set the alignment. Set the alignment here also. Now I will adjust this paragraph indent. So I want to start the body content from here to this. At this top I will insert one date, insert date. Alright. Now I will insert date. Okay. Now with this label, whenever we print or send this letterhead to anyone, the current date will be always show here. Okay, I will align it to the right. Now I will paste some text. I will choose this one, dummy text. Dear John, like this. Now I will set the line height to 1.5. We'll justify this one. Okay, like this. Some more text here, like this. All right. I can now I can add some watermark behind this text here. So I will choose this watermark option, custom watermark, and I will choose picture. I'm using this one. You can use whatever you want. Now you see this watermark is at the back of the text. Now our letterhead is almost ready, so I can save this one. Now I will save it as a PDF. So here it is, our final letterhead design. Now you see the current date is mentioned here. Now you can share this letterhead with your clients. You can share it with this text, or you can share it without this text. You can remove this text. You can share it as a Word document, or you can share it as a PDF without this body content. So it depends upon you. Okay, you can share this blank, so your client will type as he wants. So guys, here is the final design. Let me know in the comments how you find this tutorial. And let me know if you need any help regarding creating gig on Fiverr.com and offer your services and earn some money. I wish you good luck and do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues who want to learn about designing and earning money online. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and best of luck.